too.
Hello everyone, this is Astha.
And this is Joy, and we are almost adults. Today, the book of adulting is going to talk about identity crisis. Am I who I am, or who they want me to be? Am I who I am, or am I who they want me to be?
I am who I am.
चल झूठी. No, you're not. Let's see. Okay, नहीं ये ज़्यादा formal हो गया.
It is fine.
No, but this is a podcast.
Podcast, not podcast.
Podcast. Okay. So the book of adulting gives us the pointer, the mask we wear. What is the mask we wear?
That we try to show everyone that this is not us.
No, not really. I feel जब हम लोग स्कूल जाते हैं and like we see everyone around us, we try to fit in. Like school time में स्कूल टाइम में easier होता है because you know everyone is in their uniforms, everyone needs to follow certain rules and set of rules and all. It's easier to fit in school. But then फिर जैसे तुम लोग कॉलेज आते हो,
No, actually.
तो मेरा बात काटी.
I'm sorry. But school में भी even though थे बहुत ही ज़्यादा, you know, जैसे uniforms थे, rules and regulations थे, still हमें कभी-कभी ऐसा होता ना, उसका pencil थोड़ा fancy.
Oh my god. That is so weird. I'm going to cut that out. I'm not keeping that. मैं pencil को कौन देखता है?
I did that.
School में it was easier to fit in because everyone had to follow a certain set of rules and वाया लोग कैसे भी flex करते थे, but it's okay. But then जैसे ही तुम लोग like we enter college and we're like what the hell are we supposed to do? यहाँ पर सब लोग अलग-अलग है and everyone is so much different from us.
But still कभी-कभी you know FOMO हो जाता है, you know.
Yeah.
Like
And that fear of missing out. That fear of missing out की वजह से we change ourselves completely.
Yeah, it मजबूर कर देता है वो हमें change करने में, like वो वैसे रहती है. So that means अगर मैं भी वैसे रहूँगी या रहूँगा, so people might notice me.
Okay, yeah, they might make us feel involved. But in my opinion, that is bad. Obviously, that is bad. And like trying to fit in kind of makes us lose our true self.
Yeah, if people can't accept you the way you are, उसका एक ही मतलब है कि they're not meant for you.
Yeah. And sometimes we are scared of the real us. Like तू है गाँव वाला, like तेरा अंदर ही अंदर there is that गाँव वाला soul alive. But then you come to the city, you act all sober and whatever, and then you start hating what you truly are, which is so bad. Like you're hating your roots, you're hating the lineage that you have come from. So basically you're wearing a mask and that is so fake. Like instead of being fake, let us all be together. Let us all accept who we are as we are. Instead of wearing the mask, let's be comfortable with who we are. So now let's talk about the different versions of your own self. So you know the way we all know that we are very different from what we portray on social media. What's your opinion on that?
True. Because like social media पे हम लोग ज़्यादा दिखाते नहीं कि हम रियल लाइफ में कैसे हैं. अभी मेरा भी सोशल मीडिया देखेगा कि प्रॉपरली लाइक कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, you know that certain background aesthetics and all that. But रियल लाइफ में नहीं है वैसे. रियल लाइफ में this is who we are. Like no makeup, nothing. People usually try to portray you know बहुत ही ज़्यादा aesthetics and all कि you know this is how we are, this is how our lifestyle is. But in real life no, वही नीचे बैठ के खाते हैं.
That's what again that mask is on us. So I don't like to portray myself as a fake person on Instagram personally, but at the end of the day वो हो ही जाता है. Like it happens कि like you want to look good, like when you're representing yourself in front of thousands of people, you want to look good. वो हो जाता है even if you do not want to do it. कितना भी real होने का try करो, you end up putting on that mask, and that mask is something I don't like. Like let's be real, let's be raw.
Let's be honest. Like मेरे भी stories, if you see मेरे stories and all, random होते हैं. दादी के साथ, भाई के साथ, जो भी है.
I feel that your stories are more like the real you than your posts.
Yeah, because stories मेरे बहुत, even मेरे
And like in my now this kind of creates anxiety around image. Like I am so conscious whenever I get myself clicked a group picture or something, पहले मैं खुद पर zoom in कर लूँगा and I'll be like नहीं अच्छा दिख रहा है, वापस खींचो, भले ही सिर्फ मेरा आँख like you know थोड़ा सा छोटा आया हो, एंजाइटी हो जाता है मुझे कि लाइक ये कहाँ चला जाएगा पिक्चर, लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि कितना गंदा दिखता है, एंजाइटी हो जाता है.
1000 times before posting a picture कि ये एंगल कैसा है, वो ये इस एंगल में हम कैसे दिख रहे हैं, उस एंगल में कैसे दिख रहे हैं, आँख छोटा आ रहा है, बड़ा आ रहा है, स्माइल टेढ़ा जा रहा है, कैसे जा रहा है, you know, millions of things because people are there to judge you. Yeah.
Okay. But social media has helped queer people like to explore who they really are, to understand what they are. But social media has helped queer people, like the ones who are still exploring, who do not know what they are feeling. It has made them close. But some people have this also has influenced people in a wrong way. Like the ones who are not even like queer, they are like, नहीं मैं हूँ queer, just because they think it's a trend.
Yeah, they follow जो बाकी के बोल रहे हैं, but they are not actually.
Like I mean, not anything against them, but they think they are, but then their actions say something else.
Like there are many people मैंने देखे हैं जो बोलते हैं they are bisexual.
हाँ, that the new trend of being bisexual is everywhere. A straight man looking at Hrithik Roshan, hey, obviously he'll say that Hrithik Roshan is hot, hai banda hot.
Attractive it is.
Yeah, that doesn't make you bisexual by admiring something that is already good looking or hot.
You know, because of this, I used to doubt myself, actually.
See, real life example as to how social media has badly affected her sexuality.
True, because the thing is, many times, मतलब बहुत हुआ ऐसे कि if I find a girl attractive because भाई she is pretty,
Yeah.
you know, you need to accept the beauty in front of you. ठीक है? I used to think, am I bisexual because I like her?
Huh? You like her, the way she looks.
Yeah, the way she looks, you know, all body proportion you say, or physically the way she looks. ठीक है? I like her. But because of this trend, you know, because of social media especially, I used to think, am I bisexual?
See, in her case, it's like kind of opposite. In my case, it's like very opposite. It helped me figure out that I am gay, like my feelings are valid, and that I'm not the only one who feels like this, and there are other people like me. So yeah, social media has its pros and cons, and again, the element of wearing the mask comes back. Your digital self is very much different from your real self. So please, and so is others. So like, please don't compare yourselves to the influencers or anything. They are very different in real life from what you think.
Just because you know, some people think that abhi the kind of lifestyle influences are
Yeah.
having like parties, you know, या फिर fashion weeks and all that. It is easy to create videos and get famous and you can be an influencer. No, there is a years of hard work behind it, right?
वो बंदा ऐसे ही नहीं
ऐसे ही नहीं
पहुंच
पहुंचा है वो.
गया. And nowadays there is this trend going on among Gen Zs about finding themselves. We are the most aware generation that, like, we are the most lost generation as well as the most aware generation, just because we know that we are lost and we are trying to go there. So yeah.
You know, I feel like you know, Gen Z ऐसे है ना कि they're not scared to keep उनका point of view सबके सामने. They're open about it.
Yeah.
They're vocal about it. उनको पता है कि कौन सी चीज पे stand लेना है और कौन सी चीज को let go करना है.
Do you feel guilty about not fitting into your family standards?
Sometimes.
Like your family is like your parents are in an entirely different field and you're in an entirely different field. Do you feel guilty about it? No. Damn.
Because मेरे जितने भी cousins हैं, उन्होंने भी mass media किया है.
Oh,
Yeah. So when my parents were forcing me to
but
do,
then that is not. You're fitting in still.
I'm fitting in. So that's why I'm not guilty, right?
Ucha, you're fitting in your family.
Yeah, I'm not guilty about it. It's just that मेरे मम्मी पापा को चाहिए था because few relatives of mine were like, your dad is like in a government job, he does, and then you're doing
BMM, yeah.
So I was like, it's my choice. मुझे करना है. My parents are supportive enough for it.
Yeah.
But तुम आके उनका perspective change कर रहे हो. That is what you know. Still उनको ये होता है कि जरूरत नहीं था.
हाँ.
Right. not guilty. Because you know what? अगर imagine तुम वो field choose करो जो तुम्हारे parents ने तुम्हें बोला and तुम fail हो जाते हो उसमें. So पूरा life you will blame them because of them you are not अभी उस position पे नहीं हो जहाँ पे तुम होते अगर तुम अपना field choose करते. But अगर मैंने arts choose किया है उनके against जाके और आगे मुझे failure मिलता है, so I can't blame them ना, it's me who chose it.
Yeah.
So मुझे question करने पे मजबूर कर देगा ना कि वो कि क्या गलत हुआ मेरे से.
Yeah, self-introspection. Yeah. See, talking about myself, I am not guilty at all because I know that whatever I'm doing, I'll be happy in future, and no one else gets to take the credit for it because whatever I have done is through my own will and through my own hard work. Yeah. In conclusion, you're not lost. You're just becoming. Just do not let the blinding lights of social media and other things blind you and make you wear the mask that they are wearing. Be yourself. Every episode I think I'm just gonna say be yourself.
No,
I mean that is the motive of Gen Z's. Be yourself.
exactly. Just because you're getting influenced by some people, it will just make you more lost and unhappy. So be yourself and be happy and be free.
Yeah, be yourself. Be happy, be sad. It's all on you. So there's no one else to blame for. So yeah, be yourself. Bye, and we'll see you in the next episode.